and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we are all friends here. Today is going to be the first of my decluttering / organising my makeup collection video, and I'm going to be starting off with this top drawer of my kind of dressing table / vanity, whatever you want to call it. And this kind of started off as a little acrylic drawer with everything that I need for a day-to-day kind of basis for work. But now it's kind of expanded. There's absolutely all sorts in here. There's stuff kind of like shoved on the side. There's also this huge makeup bag in here, absolutely filled to the brim with things as well. So I'm going to be getting a little box and popping this up here. This is going to be for stuff that aren't in my like day-to-day routine anymore, or things that I just don't need anymore, whatever, to go back into like my actual makeup storage instead of it being like so much stuff and overwhelming when I open up my everyday makeup work kind of drawer. So I'm just going to get everything out. So I've got this Beauty Bakery blusher set. This is going to be staying in my everyday drawer because I absolutely love that. I've got quite a few of the Miss Beauty London kind of bronzers and powders and stuff like that. I was using these every day, and then I've just kind of started using other things so they can go in my little box of things to put away. I've got a Miss Beauty lip gloss that can go away. I've got the liquid concealer that can go away, and the eyeliner. I've got the brow gel, which I'm actually going to keep out because I'm just about to use up my other brow gel, which will be in here somewhere. So this will be probably the one that I'll use next. I've got like a little, I've got hair everywhere as well. There's powder everywhere. Like these drawers need a really good clean too. I've got a brush that needs putting away. I've got like these little hair clips that I'm going to put back in, just organised. Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm that can get put away now. My number 7 Stay Perfect Super Light Foundation, which I absolutely love. That's going to be staying in my everyday. Loose powder I do not have time for on a day-to-day basis, so this will be getting put back in my collection. Pixie by Petra primer. This is a lot of stuff from my Shop My Stash series that I didn't get a chance to kind of get off the ground fully. So this is another reason why I want to organise all this, so that I can actually get back into doing like my series and stuff like that. I've got the Face Stockholm Powder Foundation in late August. Yeah, that can go in my collection. Same for the bronzer in the shade Cancun. That can go back away. I've got a Instant Age Rewind, or whatever it's called, Eraser Eye concealer from Maybelline. I'm actually nearly at the end of this, so I'm going to keep this in here. But it is a little bit dark for me, even though it's in like the light shade. I've got the Miss Beauty Lengthening Mascara. I'm going to keep that in here because my like main mascara is at my best friend's house, so I don't really have like a mascara that I'm reaching for at the moment. I've got like a little stealer, I don't know, like a liquid kind of eyeshadow, and that's going to go away. Same for the Miss Beauty liquid eyeliner, that can be put away as well. Oh my god, I absolutely love this, as you can tell by how like disgusting it is. But this is the Miss Beauty London blusher. This can get put away, but I absolutely love that, and this kind of has replaced it, my blusher palette, but otherwise I would have kept that out. I've got the New Look Pure Colour Liquid Concealer, and to be honest with you, I never really got around to try this, so I'm going to put it away for now. I've got another brush to put away, another one of the Steeler liquid eyeshadows, if I can get my words out. I've got a couple of the Miss Beauty kind of solo eyeshadows, they can get put away. The number 7 eyeshadow primer portion in original, that can get put away because I don't really do eyeshadow on the daily. I've got the 17 concealer, which is too dark for me without fake tan on, so that can get put away. I've got the Benefit Hello Flawless, like really old packaging, in the shade Toffee, which is like a powder foundation, which is amazing, but that can get put away because I'm not that colour. Got some more hair clips. Look at all this like icky powder, like it is like disgusting. I have a number 7 Stay Perfect eyeliner, which can go back in my collection. I've got the Miss Beauty Flawless Matte Foundation in the shade 2, and I'm going to put this back in my collection as well because I don't reach for it on the daily anymore. I've got the highlighting wand from Miss Beauty that can go away, another brush, and then also a Miss Beauty lip pencil which can get put away. the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I'm going to keep this out because I'm coming to the end of this, so I want to use that up. I've got another hair clip. I've got an empty box from that number 7 foundation, so that can go in the recycle. I've got an eyeshadow palette, which was in my Shop My Stash video as well. This is the W7 in the Buff Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette, which just looks like this. And it's absolutely lovely. I really do like this palette. It's just that I don't really wear eyeshadow on the daily, so I'm just going to put things away because it's just unrealistic. I think I was a bit unrealistic with myself. I've also got a L'Oreal foundation as well. Really, really like this. Too dark for me on the dailies without fake tan or any kind of glow. So I'm going to put this one away. So that is kind of the acrylic storage emptied. Look how dirty that is. I've got like a little Ted Baker brush that can get put away. And then the rest of the stuff in here, like obviously I will clean this out, but I've got kind of like little YouTube stickers and blog stickers, just like random stickers that I got as a freebie. I've got a book in here, which I don't even think I got very far into. Oh, actually I did. I got page 63, so I did get quite far into it, actually. I'm going to keep this out to see if I can get back into it. This is Seeing Through the Illusion of Anxiety. I read it so long ago, I actually couldn't even tell you what the messages kind of behind it or what it was about. So I'm going to put that on my bed, ready for tonight. I've got my charger for my vlog camera, because my vlog camera is normally in here. Right, so then we have this makeup bag, which has absolutely, open it the wrong side, all sorts in it. I'm just going to kind of empty this out into the acrylic storage. Okie doke. So we've got some Dull Beauty eyelashes, which you know I absolutely love. They can get put back into its home. I've got this, which I recently bought in a blog sale. It's the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's like a mini version of it. Do you know what I'm going to do? Actually, I'm going to take it out of the box so I can recycle the box. And then this is just what it looks like. Just a little version, mini version, because I really want to try it out. Me and Amber were talking about it the other day, and then I saw it in the blog sale and I was like, yes, I'll have that. I've got this little pencil sharpener, which I'd highly recommend if you are really into makeup. It's got the fat one and it's got a skinny one, and to be honest with you, I put this, you won't be able to see because of how my camera is set up, but I put that up with all my pencils there. I've got my favourite highlighter in the whole wide world. This is the Dull Beauty Shine, no, not Shine Bright, Like a Diamond. This one's called Like a Diamond, and as you can see, I have hit pan. I have got it on today, but you can't see my face. But I do have it on today. You can't really see. Hello. Favourite one. I was going to put it away then. That's going to go in my everyday drawer because I loved it. I also recently picked up the Dull Beauty Gimme Sun bronzer. This is in the shade Medium Deep. They do a darker one than this, which was, to be honest with you, was the one that I wanted, but they didn't have it, and they told me this one's the darkest one, but it's not. So yeah, this is going to be going away for now because I don't really reach for it on the daily. I've got MAC Spice Pencil, which can go away. And I've also got MAC Saw and a Soap and Glory Archery Brow Pencil as well, which will go... Do I want it to go away? Now I'm going to keep that out because I've been using that on the daily because my eyebrows aren't the best at the moment. I've got a couple of... Just two? Yeah. I've got two of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundations, which I absolutely love. They are my go-to special occasions night out kind of a foundation. So this is in the shade NC17, and then I've also got the shade NC42. Massive difference in shades. Massive difference. Sometimes I just like to use this to mix into this to make it a little bit more warmer, so it's not as like stark white. But yeah, love them, but they'll go away for special occasions. I've also got the Tartelette eyeshadow palette, which I was thinking about this the other day when I was like picking it up to take to Blake's. I was thinking, actually, I generally think this is probably the best matte eyeshadow palette that I've ever tried. It's one that I always reach for, blends beautifully and never ever lets me down. And I think if I was on the hunt for a new eyeshadow palette, I would go for the toasted one because I just love that one so much. So I'm going to put that in there to put away because, like I said, I don't really do eyeshadow on the daily. This is something else that I picked up in a blog sale from the same girl as the Bobbi Brown one. This is the Hourglass, what are we actually called? Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 3. So it has a finishing powder, it has straw powder, another finishing powder, a bronzer, and then 2 blushes. And it just looks like this. Absolutely beautiful. If you saw the video, the picture, sorry, where I had like the baby top on when I was going to see Spice Girls, I used this as my blusher, kind of topped on top of the palette that I've got here from Beauty Bakery, and oh my god, my cheeks looked amazing. I'm so into blusher at the moment, so yeah, really really happy that I picked that up, and I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this in my everyday pile just because I'm just loving it at the moment. And the other day I used just that and not the Beauty Bakery one as my blusher, and it was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Something else that is amazing and a go-to for me is the P. Louise base. This is in the shade 2 Rumour, the original shade. But that can get going away for now because obviously I don't do eyeshadow on the daily. One of my favourite lipsticks in the whole wide world. This is the MAC Creme Cup lipstick and it is beautiful. You can tell it's my favourite lipstick because look how much I've used up. Absolutely love this. I'll be gutted when it runs out. I mean, obviously I'll buy another one straight away, but yeah. I've also got the Tarte eyeliner. This is just the Amazonian Clay Silk eyeliner. That can go away for now. I'm going to put it straight up there with all the rest of them. A mascara that I've used recently just because my favourite one is at my friend's house. This is the Tartiste palette mascara, sorry. I like this. It's not my favourite. It's one that I don't mind shoving on top of like false eyelashes, but I don't particularly like it as a actual mascara. So I'll keep that in there to kind of like use it up in my everyday pal. Something else that'll be going in my everyday pal is the MAC Dark Tan Mineralized Skin Finish Bronzer, which just looks like this. I wear this every single day if I can spit my words out. It is the best bronzer I've ever tried. It is just next level. I have a dirty sponge which can go on the rest of my dirty sponge pile ready for me to clean. And my eyelash curlers, which I just can't live without. These are the Shui Mera eyelash curlers. They're just in my everyday pile. I've got this brush from Benefit, which I'm going to keep in my everyday pile, as well as the Freedom eyebrow pomade in ash brown. I have the MAC strobe cream, which I'm going to put away because I don't really need to use that on the daily. I've got another brush to put away. I've got the Soap and Glory Super Cat eyeliner. I'm going to put this in my little eyeliner pot on top of my drawers. I've got the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, which is one again like I absolutely love. You can tell because I've hit pan with it. And this, I don't know, I just absolutely love it. It's the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. Highly, highly recommend. But for now, because I'm a little bit paler, I'm going to be putting that away. I've got the number 7 Hydra Luminous Moisturising Foundation, which I'm actually wearing today, mixed with a little bit of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm not enjoying them too mixed together. And I find this one doesn't last as long as the super light one. I don't think I'd buy this one again, whereas I would buy the super light foundation again. So yeah, I really do really like this, but just not as much as the super light. So actually I'm going to put that away. For concealer, I've got the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair, which is really fair, as you can tell, compared to my skin, and I'm really fair anyway. I'm going to put this away because I don't really use concealer on the daily. Normally my glasses cover that up anyway. I've got the NYX Tinted Brown Mascara in the shade Black. This is the one that's about to run out. So when this runs out, I'll be replacing it, I think, with this one from Miss Beauty. So yeah, I've got them. I've got the MAC the MAC lipstick in the shade Myth, which I absolutely love, especially with that spice lip liner. But I'm going to put that away. I've got the Studio Fix MAC foundation powder. This is in the shade NC25. I'd always recommend for this powder to go darker than the actual foundation shade that you are, because these powders come up light. So yeah, just bear that in mind. And as you can tell from the big hole in the middle, I really, really like this. Shaniqso got me onto this, and yeah, absolutely love it. And then we have, last but certainly not least, the Beauty Bakery Flour Better Not Bitter yellow foundation setting powder. This is just what it looks like. I absolutely love this. I wore this for a wedding that me and Blake went to recently, and I used a wet sponge to apply it all over my face, and oh my god, it's completely changed the makeup game for me. But I'm gonna be putting this away because I don't have time to be messing about with translucent powder when I'm getting ready for work. So the things that we've kept are the number 7 Stay Perfect Super Light Foundation, the MAC Dark Tan Bronzer, the MAC Studio Fix Powder, the Freedom Brow Pomade with the Benefit brush double-ended one. We've got the Shu Uemura Eyelash Curlers, Maybelline Baby Skin. We've got 2 mascaras, the Tarte mascara and the Miss Beauty Lengthening Mascara. We have the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Light, Doll Beauty Highlighter in Shine, no, in Like a Diamond, I keep getting them mixed up, the Hourglass Palette, the Beauty Bakery Blusher Palette, the Soap and Glory Archery Brow Pencil, and then the 2 brow gels. And I think that should be really my full face. And I have all my brushes in this pot here, which, to be honest with you, these all need cleaning, and these eyeshadow brushes need sorting out because they don't belong in this pot, in my everyday makeup one. So yeah, that is everything. I'm going to put these hair clips back in. I'm going to put them on top of the makeup bag, so the makeup bag's always ready to go. Yeah, oh, I found another foundation on my bed. This is another one of the MAC ones. I just love this MAC foundation so much. I've got another one in my drawer as well. This is the NC20 shade, which is I'm a little bit more tanned. So I'm going to tidy everything up. I'm going to take everything out, give it all a good wipe down with a nice antibacterial wipe, and clean everything out. And then I'm going to put this away. If you'd like to see a video of me putting all of these goodies away, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to film that for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. I'd love to do ones going and actually decluttering my makeup drawers because I have so much stuff. It is unbelievable. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you see you in my next video. Bye guys.